Ever stared at your bank statement, feeling a faint sense of dread, or perhaps just boredom? You know, that feeling where your money is just sitting there, not really doing anything for you, maybe even costing you in obscure fees. If you've ever felt that flicker of dissatisfaction, that quiet urge for your finances to be more dynamic, more aligned with your future goals, then you're in the right place. For years, traditional banks have been the default. They're the big, imposing buildings, the familiar tellers, the seemingly impenetrable fortress for our hard-earned cash. And for many, they still serve a purpose. But the financial landscape is evolving, and with it, new players are emerging, offering fresh perspectives on how we manage, save, and grow our money. We're talking about platforms that prioritize accessibility, transparency, and often, a much lower cost structure. One such player that has been making significant waves in Canada is Wealthsimple. If you've been on the internet, you've probably seen their ads, maybe heard a friend mention them, or even just wondered what all the buzz is about. Wealthsimple isn't just another online bank, it's a comprehensive financial platform designed to simplify investing, saving, and even everyday banking. They offer a suite of products, from robo-advisors to high-interest savings accounts, and even a trading platform for the more hands-on investor. The appeal is clear. They aim to demystify finance, making it approachable for everyone, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your financial journey. But here's the million-dollar question, or rather, the multi-thousand-dollar question: how do you actually make the switch from your traditional bank to a platform like Wealthsimple? It sounds daunting, right? The thought of moving all your money, changing direct deposits, updating bill payments, it can feel like a monumental task, enough to make most people just sigh and stick with the status quo. And that's exactly why we're here today. We're going to break down this seemingly complex process into a simple, actionable roadmap. We'll cover everything you need to know, step by step, to confidently transition your financial life from a traditional bank to Wealthsimple. Now, before we dive headfirst into the how-to, let's be clear, this isn't about ditching your bank entirely overnight. For some, a hybrid approach works best, maintaining a basic account with a traditional bank while migrating the bulk of their savings and investments to Wealthsimple. For others, a full transition might be the ultimate goal. The beauty is, you can tailor this process to your comfort level and financial needs. This video is simply a guide to empower you with the knowledge and confidence to make that switch, should you choose to. Alright, let's talk strategy. Think of this as a multi-stage operation, each stage building on the last. Stage 1, the research and exploration phase, getting to know Wealthsimple. Before you move a single dollar, you need to understand what Wealthsimple offers and how it aligns with your financial goals. Don't just jump in because your friend raves about it. Do your homework. Explore Wealthsimple's offerings. Head over to the Wealthsimple website. What services do they offer? You'll find Wealthsimple Invest, Robo-Advisor. This is their flagship product. You answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and goals, and their algorithm builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. This is perfect for passive investors who want professional management without the high fees. Wealthsimple Trade, for the DIY investor, this allows you to buy and sell stocks and ETFs with no commission fees. Wealthsimple Cash, this is their high-interest savings account and spending account, often offering a much better interest rate than traditional bank savings accounts, and typically comes with a linked debit card. Wealthsimple Tax, simple and often free tax filing software. Compare fees, this is crucial. Look at Wealthsimple's fee structure. For Wealthsimple Invest, it's a percentage of assets under management, usually 0.5% for accounts under $100,000, 0.4% above that. For Wealthsimple Trade, it's commission-free. Compare these to your current bank's investment management fees, trading fees, and monthly account fees. Often, the savings with Wealthsimple are significant. Understand account types. Do they offer the account types you need? RRSPs, TFSAs, non-registered accounts, RESPs, check if your current accounts can be replicated or transferred. Read reviews and testimonials, see what other users are saying. Look for common praises and complaints. Websites like Reddit r/Personal Finance Canada is a great resource, or independent financial review sites can offer unbiased perspectives. Consider your comfort level with digital platforms. Wealthsimple is entirely digital. If you prefer in-person banking and physical branches, this might be a bigger adjustment. Stage 2. Setting up your Wealthsimple accounts, the foundation. Once you're comfortable with what Wealthsimple offers, it's time to start the actual setup process. This is where you create your profile and open the specific accounts you need. Sign up for an account. This is straightforward. You'll need your personal information, like your name, address, SIN, social insurance number, and employment details. Verify your identity. Like any financial institution, Wealthsimple needs to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a photo of your ID, passport or driver's license, and sometimes a selfie. This is a standard security measure. Link your existing bank account. This is how you'll fund your Wealthsimple accounts initially. You'll typically provide your bank account number and transit number. Wealthsimple will usually send a small test deposit or require you to verify your account through an instant bank verification service. Open specific accounts. Now, open the accounts you've decided on. For example, if you're looking to invest, open a Wealthsimple Invest TFSA or RRSP. If you want a high-interest savings account, open a Wealthsimple Cash account. Follow the prompts for each. Stage 3. Funding your Wealthsimple accounts, the initial transfer. This is where your money starts to move. Start small, especially if you're feeling hesitant. Small initial transfer. Don't transfer everything at once. Fund your new Wealthsimple account with a small amount, perhaps $100 or $500, to get a feel for the process. This allows you to see how long transfers take and how the platform works without committing a large sum. Set up recurring deposits, optional but recommended once you're comfortable. Consider setting up recurring deposits from your linked bank account to your Wealthsimple Invest or Cash account. This is a fantastic way to automate your savings and investing, allowing you to consistently build wealth over time. This also helps with dollar cost averaging if you're investing. Explore account transfers. For investment accounts, if you have existing RRSPs, TFSAs, or other investment accounts with your traditional bank, Wealthsimple can facilitate a direct transfer. This is often the most complex part but can save you from selling investments and triggering tax implications. Initiate a transfer within your Wealthsimple Invest account. Look for an option to transfer in or transfer an existing account. Provide account details. You'll need the account number and institution name from your old bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.